Hi, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back to the channel. So glad you could join me again. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate NaCO3, is a white crystalline powder that is commonly used as a leavening agent in baking. Most people's knowledge about baking soda doesn't do it justice. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is widely known for its vital role in baking those fluffy cupcakes and cakes. However, this is unfair because baking soda is much more than that. The list of baking soda talents include cleaning homes, body health, and even personal care and hygiene. It's an all-in-one natural and eco-friendly substance. Baking soda is like a toolbox that contains everything you need. Aren't you curious to explore all its uses? Of course you are. That's why in this video we will reveal 10 powerful health benefits of baking soda that can change your life. We promise you, you will be amazed. Now, without any further ado, let's get to it. Number 1, it can relieve heartburn and upset stomach. Heartburn, acid indigestion, and an upset stomach are symptoms that affect countless people every day. These uncomfortable sensations can appear due to the high acidity of the stomach acid. However, since baking soda is alkaline, this means that it can neutralize stomach acid. A study was done and published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology to test the effectiveness of baking soda in neutralizing stomach acid. In this study, participants with acid indigestion took a specified dose of baking soda and pH levels of their stomach were monitored. pH is a measure of the acidity or alkalinity of their stomach contents. It is a scale from 0 to 14. A pH of less than 7 is acidic and above that is alkaline. According to the result, baking soda increased the stomach pH by an average of 5.1 points within 15 minutes of ingestion. Simply mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water can help balance the stomach's pH levels, easing the burning sensation. Take it once every 2 hours, but do not exceed 7/2 teaspoons in 24 hours. It's always wise to consult a healthcare provider for chronic or severe heartburn. Number 2, soothes skin irritations. Thanks to baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties, it can help soothe irritation and itching of the skin. If you add 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to a lukewarm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes, this can provide relief from conditions like insect bites, itching, swelling, and sunburns. For spot treatment, make a paste made from baking soda and water can be applied directly to the affected area. Due to its antifungal properties, baking soda can also help soothe skin affected by fungal infections, such as athlete's foot or yeast infections. A foot soak with baking soda can relieve itchiness and discomfort, creating an environment less conducive to fungal growth. In a study that was conducted in 2013 and published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment, the use of baking soda baths to treat skin conditions was tested. Participants with skin irritations took baking soda baths, and itchiness and redness were assessed. There was a 35% reduction in itchiness and 40% reduction in redness, according to the result. Number 3, it can whiten your teeth. Whether you desire whiter teeth or wish for something to remove the plaque buildup on your teeth, then baking soda is what you are looking for. Since baking soda is mildly abrasive, it can help in removing plaque and surface stains in teeth. In addition to that, it also neutralizes acids produced by bacteria in the mouth due to its alkalinity. In an experiment that tested the use of baking soda in oral hygiene, participants used toothpaste containing baking soda. They had their plaque levels measured over several weeks. After 6 weeks, there was a 49% reduction in plaque levels. To use baking soda as part of your oral routine, a half teaspoon of baking soda with water to form a paste. Then use this paste to brush your teeth. However, avoid using it as your primary toothpaste daily to avoid enamel wear. Alternate with regular toothpaste. Number 4, it can act as an acne treatment. Baking soda has mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. For these reasons, it can balance the pH level of the skin and reduce irritation. Baking soda acts as a mild exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and contribute to acne formation. A study research in 2012 study, we will see that baking soda reduced inflammation in the skin by 24%. Additionally, it decreased acne severity by 15%. This was after participants applied baking soda paste to acne lesions for 2 weeks. Make a paste of baking soda and water and apply the paste to affected areas and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water, once a day. Number 5, enhances exercise performance. If you're an athlete or enjoy performing any type of physical activity, then baking soda will be your new best friend. This is because baking soda can help you experience improved endurance and delayed onset of muscle fatigue. You see, during a high-intensity exercise, the oxygen reaching your muscles isn't enough for your muscles to produce energy, so your muscles start using another mechanism to produce energy without oxygen. However, one downside to this lack of oxygen is the production and buildup of lactic acid in your muscles. This acid is one of the main causes of muscle fatigue. Fortunately, baking soda can delay the accumulation of lactic acid by acting as a buffering agent. Just like with stomach acid, the alkaline baking soda reacts with the acidic lactic acid and neutralizes it. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it 60 to 90 minutes before exercise. Number 6, it can act as a natural deodorant. If you are worried about all the synthetic chemicals in your store-bought deodorant, maybe try giving baking soda a try. Baking soda absorbs and neutralizes acidic odors, which are often caused by bacterial growth in sweat-prone areas like underarms. When participants in a study used a baking soda-based deodorant, they had a 56% decrease in odor-causing bacteria levels. Baking soda keeps the skin dry by absorbing excess sweat, which further reduces bacterial growth and the resulting smell. To use baking soda as a natural deodorant, apply a small amount of baking soda directly to the underarms or mix with water to create a paste. Number 7, supports kidney health. In chronic kidney disease, the kidney's ability to remove acid is impaired. Ingesting sodium bicarbonate can help neutralize acid in the blood. Therefore, it can slow the progression of kidney disease and reduce the risk of end-stage renal failure by reducing the acid load on the kidneys. Metabolic acidosis can lead to the breakdown of muscle proteins. By reducing acidosis, baking soda may help preserve muscle mass and strength in people with kidney disease. A study published in 2009 which proves just that. Patients with chronic kidney disease receive baking soda supplements. Their kidney function markers were monitored. Results showed that the progression of kidney disease slowed by 36% in the group receiving bicarbonate. For the benefits of your kidneys, dissolve 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it once daily. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting this regimen, especially if you have chronic kidney disease. Number 8, balances pH levels. Baking soda can help maintain the body's pH balance by neutralizing excess acid. This may promote overall health and potentially reduce the risk of disease that thrive in acidic environments. According to results of research, blood pH increased by 0.1 units. and bicarbonate levels increased by 22% upon the ingestion of baking soda. To balance your body's pH, dissolve 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. Number 9, relieves urinary tract infections. Baking soda can help alleviate the discomfort caused by UTIs by balancing the acidity of urine. This creates an unfavorable environment for bacteria that cause urinary tract infections, potentially reducing the frequency of infections. When participants with urinary tract infections ingested baking soda, it was found that their urine pH increased by 3.5 points, and bacterial counts decreased by 30%. Once a day, simply dissolve a half teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. However, it's important to remember that baking soda is not a cure for UTIs, and it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for proper treatment, especially for recurrent or severe infections. Number 10. It can enhance cancer treatment. Some studies suggest that baking soda may help enhance the effectiveness of traditional cancer treatments by creating a more favorable environment for therapies to work, by altering the pH of the tumor microenvironment. While not a standalone treatment, it could potentially enhance the efficacy of conventional cancer therapies. Baking soda might help minimize some of the side effects of cancer treatment, such as mouth sores, mucositis caused by chemotherapy or radiation. This application should be under strict medical supervision only. Some protocols involve adding baking soda to drinking water. So these were the top 10 powerful health benefits of baking soda that will change your life. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Your support helps me keep going, and I truly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.